with the same beauty blender, let me use the other side of it so that I won't mix the two. And with this, you might need more foundation because hi lovies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, I am going to be teaching you how you can get a certain finish or glowy effect out of that your matte foundation. We all know that this kind of foundation that normally have a certain finish, a glowy effect, they're on a high side, they are bits on the high side, like they are expensive. So today I am going to be teaching you, I am going to be walking you through on how to achieve that glowy effect out of that your matte foundation. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. For us to get started with this video, you need to come closer. So to get this effect, it doesn't have anything to do with your skin prep. You still need to prep your skin the way you should prep it. So my skin is already prepped, so we are just going to dive into this foundation application. So this is the foundation I'll be using for this experiment. So I already have it here. I'm going to be picking it in front of you, my ladies, so that you will see. So let's just take that and put on this side. We are going to be doing everything on camera. You guys know me, I don't like too much foundation. So with my beauty blender, let's blend it. You can use your brush to blend. This foundation I'm using is like a bit dark for me, but I've noticed that most times when I use my shade of foundation in my videos, it will end up looking so white. So this foundation I'm using is actually a very matte foundation, and this is the foundation here from Adventure Makeup. This is the foundation from Adventure Makeup. So I am just going to add this one on this part of my face, and on this part I will add the normal, the one that will have that glowy effect. Foundation is properly applied on this part of my face. As you guys can see, it is still that same foundation here. So on this part of my face, I am going to show you how you're going to use this foundation to get a glowy effect. How you're going to get a glowy effect still using this same foundation that I use here, and we are going to experiment that here and now. So let's just continue. Now to get a glowy effect out of a matte foundation, this is just all you need to get a glowy effect out of a matte foundation. This is just all you need. Your moisturizer. I don't know about other moisturizers, but I feel that this one does the work better. This particular product, this Mismetics, it gets the job done. So this is just what you need to do. We are doing it here together. Just open this and then add some to this foundation. Then with your spatula, what do I call this? Then you mix everything together. I don't know if you guys are saying, because I want to do it here. Okay, so now that we are done mixing, if you notice, we ended up with a lot more foundation because of the moisturizer that I added to the foundation. So I'll just go ahead and put that on this part of my face so that you will see the difference. So let's just go. Let me add the ones I have on this first. Then with my stuff here, this will definitely make your foundation to become more watery. Yes. So let's blend with the same beauty blender. Let me use the other side of it so that I won't mix the two. And with this, you might need more foundation because it made your foundation to become lighter, like the consistency become lighter, not as thick as the original one, if you understand what I mean. So we are still blending it. Like I said, with this technique, you might need to add more foundation because the consistency of your foundation changed the time you added that moisturizer. It's no more the same, but I'm sure you guys are seeing the difference. You guys are spotting the difference. Like, it's clear. It's clear. It's as if the color of the foundation changed, but it did not. It's just the glowy effect. So my lovelies, can you spot the difference? This part we did it without adding moisturizer to the foundation, while this part we added moisturizer to the foundation. Can you spot the difference? Can you spot the difference? It's as if this one, the color even changed, the undertone is even changed, but nothing changed. It is still that same foundation. It is just the glowy effect. It is just that satin finish, that shiny finish. Can you see? I'm actually in love with this part. Like, can you see how dull this part is looking? Like, this actually made my face dull, but this one is glowy. Like, it's shiny, giving me that sweet vibes that I need. And so my lovelies, that is it. And in case you're wondering, will this not break my makeup? Will it make my makeup not to last? The answer is no. Moisturizer doesn't have any oil in it. Oil is what breaks your makeup, and moisturizer doesn't have that. So with this, I'm assuring you that your makeup is going to last as long as it should, okay? So with that, my lovelies, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you have learned this simple trick today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and of course subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, we still have a whole lot of videos that will help you in your makeup journey on this channel. Please do well to check them out. And if you have a makeup challenge, you have a video request, do well to drop it for me in the comment section, okay? Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. In front of the mirror, lights slow and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Tutorials that shine like stars in the night. Join shadows.